brakes on the Amphicar are a problem, especially because you have these little steel cylinders with aluminum pistons in them, and if you don't maintain it once a year at least, you will get the similar metal corrosion or a reaction between the two metals, and it will completely seize shut before, in a couple of years actually. What I do is I take them out. In the back you can do that because there are little cups that they push against. Clean it up and then slather it with a grease. I use Dow Corning high vacuum. It's really kind of made for brake pads. Slather the grease all around the dust cup and then put the dust cup back over there. You have to loosen the cylinder with a 10mm wrench. There's two bolts in there, one here, one there on the other side. You can't see it from here. Then put it over there. If you don't loosen it, you won't be able to get the dust cap off or back on without damaging it. And of course, a damaged dust cap is far worse than anything else because it would let water in. At that point, you do this one, put it together, tighten everything up, and that's all the service it needs.